Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I just got off the phone with a business leader, and she wants me to come in and speak to her workers about how they can become more valued at work and be more productive and worry less about money, retirement, and how they can spend more time with their family. It's become more important than ever. People are spending 40 to 60 hours on the job, and they're worrying more about their finances. Be on the lookout for more information that I will be sharing that you can apply so you can be more productive in what you do in life and start to spend more time with your families as you seek financial independence and satisfaction. Take care of yourself and have yourself a great day.